This YouTube channel is making $150,000 a month from just posting football edits. This is how you can do it at home. Start by opening ChatGPT, then typing in this. Top 10 viral YouTube short ideas. Okay, it will give some results now. In this case, I'm just going to do a podcast because it's easy. Okay, to get results like this, copy what I do here. First type up podcast shorts, then look through some, and as you can see, Joe Rogan podcast shorts are popular.
Effects of this.
This is an explosion.
You can easily do the same thing this guy is doing just by using a free AI website. Search Joe Rogan Shorts, then find a popular video and copy the link. Then search Opus Clip and click on the first link. Sign up in the top right corner. Once you're signed in, you will get 5 hours of video to be edited for free, but you can more by clicking this button and sending to a friend. Okay, now paste your link into this box. Then it will say how long it takes to make short videos of important parts that will go viral. They also give you a title for the video. They rank videos of which one is the best and which one is the worst. As you can see, this is a 99 score. You can download the video and save it, or post it directly to YouTube. When you're posting, make sure to include the hashtags and a good description. You can ask ChatGPT to write you a description and make some tags for you like this. Type in, "Can you make a description about Joe Rogan podcast with Elon Musk?" and add some tags. ChatGPT has given us a title and a descriptive description and some tags. Now all you need to do is post it to YouTube and you're all set. I hope this video helped you. Thanks for watching my whole entire video. Make sure to like and subscribe.